Hey everyone, welcome back to the Lawn and Garden channel. Today, we're diving into the world of front yard landscaping, where a little creativity can truly transform the curb appeal of your home. Whether you're looking to boost your home's value or simply create a welcoming outdoor space, we've got you covered with these 10 amazing ideas. Coming in at number 10 we have the native plant garden. Why not go back to nature with a native plant garden? Not only are native plants low maintenance, but they also attract local wildlife like butterflies and birds, adding life and color to your front yard. Number 9. Pathway Pizzazz. Upgrade your pathway with some pizzazz. Consider using materials like natural stone, brick, or even recycled materials for an eco-friendly touch. You can also line the path with solar-powered lights for a magical nighttime ambience. Number 8. Colorful flower beds. Inject some vibrancy into your front yard with colorful flower beds. Choose a variety of flowers that bloom at different times of the year to ensure year-round color and beauty. Number 7. Vertical gardens. Short on space? No problem. Vertical gardens are a fantastic way to add greenery without taking up valuable ground space. Hang planters on walls or fences to create a stunning vertical oasis. Number 6. Water features. There's something inherently soothing about the sound of water. Incorporate a small water feature like a fountain or a pond into your front yard for a touch of tranquility. Before we get to number 5, please give this video a like and remember to subscribe. Here we go. Numero 5. Edible landscaping. Why not make your front yard both beautiful and functional? Plant fruit trees, berry bushes, and herbs to create an edible landscape that not only looks great, but also provides fresh, homegrown fruits and veggies. Number 4. Artistic accents. Add a touch of whimsy to your front yard with artistic accents. Think sculptures, wind chimes, or even a custom design gate. Let your personality shine through. Number 3. Rock gardens. Rock gardens are not only visually striking but also low maintenance. Arrange rocks of various sizes and shapes amidst drought-tolerant plants for a modern, desert-inspired look. Number 2. Seasonal decor. Keep your front yard fresh and inviting year-round by switching up your seasonal decor. From pumpkins in the fall to twinkling lights in the winter, there are endless ways to celebrate the seasons. Last but not least, we have number 1. Sustainable landscaping. Consider embracing sustainable landscaping practices. Choose drought-resistant plants, install a rainwater harvesting system, and mulch your garden beds to conserve water and reduce maintenance. And there you have it, 10 creative ideas for front yard landscaping that are sure to elevate your outdoor space. Which idea was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiration. Until next time, happy landscaping